Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Bro, that was true. That was cool. Hey, what is up, guys? It's me, York Gaming, and Go Coop Gaming.
Holy frick, that was all the way up.
I know. We need to get we need to shake it up first.
Wow, dude.
Bro.
Dude, it was like, holy frick. Not gonna say it, watching it. That was fucking insane. Whoa, wait, did it?
But what is up, guys? It is me, York Gaming. As you saw, there was Go Coop Gaming. We just did this really cool experiment. I have never done it before. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Yeah. Tastes pretty good. It has no carbonation left, though. But yeah. Well, that was pretty cool.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Is this not working now?
No, it won't. It has no carbonation. I tasted it. That was pretty cool.
Alright, well, I guess we'll see you guys later.
Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.